Welcome. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to change your username in Pokémon Go. Let's get started. First, open the Pokémon Go app on your device. Make sure you are logged in to your account and ready to make changes. Once you are in the app, tap on the Pokeball icon at the bottom of the screen to open the main menu. From here, tap Settings in the upper right corner. Search for Change Nickname option and tap on it. Pokémon Go only allows you to change your username once, so make sure you are choosing a name you really like. Tap on Change Nickname, then type in the new username you would like to use. Double check it to make sure it's spelled exactly how you want, as this is likely your only opportunity to change it. After you have entered your new username, you will be asked to confirm your choice. The app will remind you that this change can't be undone. Tap Yes or OK to save your new username. Once confirmed, your username will be updated. Now you can enjoy playing Pokémon Go with your new in-game name. And that's it, you have successfully changed your Pokémon Go username. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.